And welcome to this video from Dr. Lock. We're going to have a look at some double doors that open outwards. The caretaker has said that the kids are getting in by shimming back the latch, and then what they're doing is they're going onto that and then onto that and then up to there into the pool area. So what we've decided to do is put a full piece blocker plate on these double doors. These doors open outwards, and reverse the patio bolt. So having a look from the inside, you can see we've completely protected. There was a gap between the doors here, and we've completely protected this latch here, and also by reversing the patio bolt, the doors can still remain open if need be. So that's a full place blocker plate to protect the latch on these double doors.